Quantity. You will get 12 sheets Noble Metallic Nail Art Sticker for acrylic nails, which can offer you multiple choices, and satisfy your rich imagination of nail DIY. Easy to use. Self-adhesive nail decals are no need to soak, just stick them on your nail, easy and time-saving. Tips. We recommend to seal with top coat to protect nail stickers for longer lasting. High quality. Rose gold metallic nail stickers are made of high-quality materials, not limited to any nail stickers. Suitable for all people and you can use it safely. You can apply a top coat to protect the nail sticker. Perfect gift. It is the best gift for women, girls. Nail stickers are great for fingernails and toenails decorations. Perfect for home use and nail salon. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent vol. Seriously, I did not expect much from this product. I took some time and put a little effort into it and it's fantastic. I used it on my toes. No, I do go for pedicures. Again, with some effort it looks professional and I have had many compliments. On your hands, if you wash a lot, it may not hold unless you apply a top coat. Excellent value.